This is now the beginning of day 2 of Main 2022. It's a real pleasure to have you all here, those that are in person here, but also all of you who are online right now. So I'm just going to do a little bit of opening remarks again for this second day, and then we'll be able to kick off our first talk of the day, and also welcome the chair of the session. So just as a reminder, Main 2022 has 3 keynote lectures, 12 lectures, 3 panel discussions, 2 lightning talk sessions. We had one yesterday, there's going to be another one today, and also no less than 48 posters, and so we're very happy about that. We had already yesterday 2 keynote lectures, one by Dr. Kafri Diraza and one by Dr. Michael Graziano, and we're looking forward this afternoon also to a keynote lecture by Dr. Ev Fedorenko. We also had 3 panel discussions. We had already 2 yesterday, one about building sentient machines and another one about career perspectives in at the intersection between neuroscience and AI. That was led by UNIQ's student committee. And this morning, at the end of this morning, we will have the 3rd panel of the conference, and it will be focused on the future of neuro AI through the lens of early career researchers. Very much looking forward to that. I want to again thank the organizing committee of Main, Flavie Lavoie-Cardinal, Shahab Bakhtiari, Andrea Green, Pierre Bellec, Doina Prikop, Jean-Marc Lina, Guillaume Lajoie, Irina Risch, Blake Richards, Bratislav Misic, and Josefina Rossell, our coordinator. But all of this, again, would not have been possible without the support of our amazing logistics dream team, made up of amazing students. And you can see all the pictures here. I will not name them. Their names are also on our website. So thanks again to them. That's where all the magic is happening. Right before Main, some of you participated in the Main Educational. Those were 2 days of tutorials and workshops, also organized by Main. So the executive committee was Pierre Bellec and Natasha Clark. So I'd like to thank them again for that. And we also had Jean-Baptiste Pauline and Shahab Bakhtiari on the scientific committee. And again, amazing volunteers that made all the magic happen and were contributing to this. And an amazing list of speakers and instructors that contributed to that. And we're really very happy about the educational component of Main, and this is something that we want to continue. So we're also looking forward to your feedback, those of you who were able to participate in this, so that we can continue improving on this and make it better for next year. Just a few comments and practical information. For those of you who maybe were not with us yesterday, we have a bunch of people here in presence, but we also have many people online. And so if you're here, use the microphones to ask your questions. And if you're online, you'll see there's a Q&A tab. You just click on that tab, and then you'll be able to ask a question. You'll also be able to upvote questions that you think that you find interesting. Keep an eye on our website. There might be information that is useful, or if there's a glitch for any reason on the hybrid Zoom or anything. If there's anything, we will provide information in real time on the website to help you out. But fingers crossed, everything should go well as it did yesterday. Very important. We heard many speakers yesterday mention that there are opportunities in their lab for like postdocs or PhDs. So I'm going again. I encourage all the participants, the speakers, but also those of you who are online or here. If you're heading a lab or a group and you have a position open, please make sure that you check out the job board on the website of Main 22, and that it doesn't have to be a long description, just put some information about the position so that people and students can contact you and find out more. We have a code of conduct, and I would highly recommend that you read it if you did not do that. It's on our website. And also we have a tradition here of making sure that all the talks end on time. And so, like we did in the past, there is an angry panda that might come get you if you're a speaker and you're going over time, so beware of that. And last but not least, we would like to acknowledge the support of the Fonds de Recherche Nature et Technologie Québec, FRQNT, that has been supporting and has been the main source of funding for the UNIQ Center that organizes this meeting. But we're also very happy to have the support of Université de Montréal, the Apogée program IVADO, the Applied AI Institute from Concordia, McGill, the Cerebrum Center, and the Institut d'Intelligence et Données, IID, in Quebec.